I'm Day Wilson of FODMAP Every Day, and if you're following the low FODMAP diet, you're probably missing this. That's because garlic and all kinds of onions have high FODMAP fructans in them that we want to avoid. The good news is that the fructans are not oil soluble. And what that means is that we can make garlic oil and have all of that delicious garlic flavor in our food, and I'm going to show you how to make that right now. So you have your choice of oil. You can use a light oil, a vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, or an olive oil, which is what I'm going to do today. 2 cups in a pot. We're just going to heat this up just until it's a little warm to the touch. You don't need a thermometer. So you just take your garlic cloves. We're going to peel them and smash them, increasing the surface area of the cloves because then all of that really delicious garlic flavor is going to infuse into our oil all the better. The oil is really warm, but not too hot, not boiling, and we're going to take it off the heat. And then add our 6 cloves of garlic to our 2 cups of oil. Now we let it infuse for 2 hours, and then we're going to strain it to make sure that all of the garlic solids are removed, but none of the fructans will infuse into the oil. After 2 hours, we're ready to strain the oil into a clean container. I use not only a metal strainer, but I also line the metal strainer with cheesecloth. By removing all of the solids, we're making sure that no fructans leach into the oil, which is what makes this garlic infused oil low FODMAP. There we go. But now this is really important safety information. This oil should be refrigerated and used within 3 days. That's the USDA recommendation and what we recommend to you. Now you can use it for sauteing, for salads, any place you want to get garlic flavor into your food, like on this beautiful caprese salad. I've got my garlic oil in my pour spout jar. Look at this beautiful garlic infused olive oil with fresh tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and fresh basil from the garden, all low FODMAP. This is about thriving. Come to FODMAP Every Day for this recipe.